Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the concept structure in Go language. The structure is a very old concept that was introduced in C language, and C language have a very good concept of a structure, but in C language we cannot create a methods within a structure. We use classes for that. But in Go language we do not support classes. We do not have a concept of inheritance, but we have a concept to introduce methods in a structure. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create a structure, how we can use structures, and in next video we will learn how we can create methods in a structure. So for creating a structure, just we write a type and we give the name of the structure, and here we just give the structure keyword and then start the curly bracket, and here I give like name, string type, and I say qualification like string type, like this. So we have a structure. Now I want to create the object of this structure or a variable from this structure. So I may have person1 p1 equal to, and I say person, and I can pass the value like my name, and I can pass the qualification like this, and now I can use it fmt dot println, and here I can pass the value of p1 like this, and I save it and I run it. Sorry, we have to use this keyword for creating a constructor, and we see that we have called this and we have the value of p1. So now individually I can also call, I can call like this fmt dot println, and I can pass here that I say name equal to, and I say p1 dot name. Similarly I can use fmt dot println, and I can give here the qualification like this, and I can pass p1 dot qualification like this, and I save it and I run it. Oh, we have the separate extras, then I run it, and you see the name equal to this and qualification equal to, I forgot to put equal to also, and you see the name equal to this and qualification equal to this. So we can use a structure like this as we use in C. We can directly create also, we can pass the value like this fmt dot println, and here I can create the person, and I can pass here some value with the curly brackets, and I can give here on that Anil Kumar, any name, and I can give the qualification mtech like this, and if I try to run it, and you see that we are able to create this one also. And if we have a p1 object and I want to pass the address of this object in any pointer, we have the knowledge of pointer also. So I may have sp1 like this, and equal to, I can pass the address of this p1 here, and like this, and I just declare this, and I just display this println, and I say sp1 dot name like this, and I run it, and you see I'm able to find out the name also. And if I change the name, by using sp1, because it's a pointer, and I change the name Dr. Vipin to Dr. Sachin Kumar like this, and I save it and I run it again like this. I run it again, copy and paste. So you see the value will replace also, and you see that the value has been changed. And if I put here this one also P1, then it will be changed also, you see, because it's a pointer, and if we change the value through the pointer, then original value also change. So like this way we can create the structure. It's a very simple way to create a structure, and we can use the value within a structure by using dot. And we may also have a return type within a function. If I create some function like this, if I create some function, so I may declare this now outside the main function like this. Now I just create separate function and I say get person like this, and in this function the return type is pointer of person like this. So I can create here the person. I say p equal to person, and I pass here some value by curly brackets. I pass some value like I say Ankit, and I put the value here. I say PhD for example, and I return it like this, address of P. So whenever I call this function, I can call this function here also, and I say here P2 for example, and I say get person, and fmt I can display value dot println like this, and I may use p2 dot name, and you see that we have passed from the function, and now I am using it, and you see the Ankit name is printed, and that value is returned from the function. So we may also return the value as a pointer, as a reference from this, and we can display here return a value, and we have the object of this structure, and now we can display value, and we can display qualification also. So we may use this with the function, and we can declare structure outside the main also for globally, and we can also declare within a main also, and we can use the member or the properties or the name or the variables within a structures by using dot operator, and we have the value like this. We may change also by using the pointer. So that much of thing we have learned in this video about the structures. That's all in this video, and thank you for watching this video.